the way you assemble your poles. The green G is at the top. Your top pole will sit inside the next pole down, okay? So you don't need to push it in too far, it just goes in. You've still got that movement and then a little bit more. That's all you need to do. If you push this in too far, you're going to wedge your poles together and you're not going to get them apart. So all you need to do is slide that in till there. You've still got your movement, teeny little bit more, and that is it. Now when the poles are assembled this way, remember the green G is at the top. When that runs this way, there's nothing catching in here, so all your water, your debris and everything, it's running straight through your system, no problem. So if you assemble your poles the wrong way round, this way, this is what will happen. So you're outside here, over here, so you can see here, what this means is that this pole is now sat around here inside, so you've got that lip, okay? So when that water is coming down, it's going to catch. So if I demonstrate it this way, okay, so your outer pole is sat like this, and this is inside. What happens is your water and your debris, your slurry, everything, it's going to come in here and it's going to get caught between the two poles inside. When that happens, it will cause a seal and that will cause you a lot of problems. So it really is important. When I'm on the phone, the best way I describe it is your pole goes male into female. Assembling your aluminium poles with a tapered end facing upwards, and that's into here. Then obviously that section is in here now, and again, any water or debris coming down is going to get stuck inside and your poles are going to get stuck together. So it really is important when you are assembling your poles, the carbon or the aluminium, it's always assembled male down into female and secure into place.